मेंबर ऑफ ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट अफजल खान का कहना है कि बरतानवी पार्लियामान में 100 से ज़ायद MPs की कोशिशों से कोरोना वायरस से जाँ बहक अफराद की मैयत की रियासती मलकियत से मुतालिक बिल का इतलाक मुसलमान और यहूदी कम्युनिटी पर नहीं होगा और वो अपने प्यारों की आखिरी रसूमात अपने अपने मजहब के मुताबिक कर सकेंगे।
This week in the Parliament, we had emergency legislation to deal with COVID-19 coronavirus situation in Britain. And one of the concern was what would happen if there's a large-scale death and how we're going to be disposing of the body. And clearly, the Muslim and the Jewish community have strict rules in relation to burials. So I'm pleased that after an effort by over 100 MPs, the government listened and they've agreed that no person would be cremated against the wishes of that person, his faith. So I'm happy that the government has listened. We really need to make sure that we comply with these guidance that the government are giving of a self-isolation, of washing our hands for 20 seconds with the soap, because this is the way to control. Because if we don't control it, then the number of people who could end up in hospital and then end up dying would be large number. And this is when this whole issue kicks in.